Let's start. Given below are the steps of construction of a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Find which of the following steps is wrong. So, first understand what is required. See, this is a circle of radius 6 cm and these tangents are inclined to each other at 60 degrees. So important part is the angle should be 60. How can this be 60? If these two angles, these are right angles because tangent radius, so 90 90 and this is 60, so this angle should be 120, right? So important part is this 120 degrees and the angles between these two tangents should be 60 degrees. These are the 2 points you have to look at. So let's start with center O and radius 6. Draw a circle. Okay, take point O A on the circle and draw AOB 120 degrees. So this, take A somewhere over here, we don't know where, anywhere it can be. Then AOB, draw this AOB using a protractor or a compass, anything. So AOB 120 degrees and cut it at B. Okay, then draw perpendicular OA at A, that's okay, and another at B. Okay, OB. So 3 is also correct. Let the perpendiculars meet at C. Okay, the C and CB are two required tangents to the given circle which are inclined to each other at 120 degrees. Now this is wrong. It's given that it should be at 60 degrees. So step 4 is wrong. Right, see, these meet at C. So they should be inclined at 60 degrees. Step 4 is wrong.